Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The Iqoo Neo 9S Pro Plus, which was recently launched, is a flagship phone with a 144Hz LTPO AMOLED display, an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, a Snapdragon flagship processor, new slim battery technology, a new Sony IMX921 camera sensor, and many more features. Friends, today I'm going to share the unboxing and first impressions of the Iqoo Neo 9S Pro Plus, which has just been launched. Hey guys, it's Maiky from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing and turning on notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. Let's start with the unboxing. This is the Iqoo Neo 9S Pro Plus box. Opening the lid, the first thing you see is the phone in buff blue color. The rest of the box contains a 120-watt power adapter, a data cable, a SIM ejector tool, and a transparent case. Looking at the design of the Iqoo Neo 9S Pro Plus, the phone comes in buff blue. There are also star white and fighting black color options. The back of the phone has contrasting colors and uses dual materials. The white area has a pixel-style pattern, and from certain angles, you can see the Neo text. The Iqoo Neo series is made for game lovers because it has a high-performance flagship chip. On the right side of the phone, there is a blue-colored, lychee-patterned plain leather material that feels delicate to the touch. Despite having a huge battery, the phone weighs only 193 grams, giving it a nice in-hand feel. In this video, I'm just sharing my first impressions of the phone. I'll be uploading a detailed review video soon, so please subscribe and join our tech team. Looking at the front of the Iqoo Neo 9S Pro Plus, it has a 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with LTPO support. It has a 144Hz refresh rate, 1400 nits of maximum brightness, and a 160Hz PWM dimming feature for eye protection. It's great to get an LTPO display in this price range because it also lowers power consumption. The screen is flat, so the gaming experience will be great. For performance, the Iqoo Neo 9S Pro Plus has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 flagship processor and the self-developed Q1 gaming chip. After playing King of Glory for 30 minutes at a temperature of 35 degrees, the frame rate stays stable at 120 FPS. You can see the graph for this. The phone is excellent for gaming. We will cover more high-end gaming tests in the detailed review video. So stay connected with our channel. This time, the phone features a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which is unique in this price range. The fingerprint setup process is impressive because it sets up quickly. Just hold your finger on it. You can see the unlocking speed in slow motion. The sensor's position is also higher, making it perfectly placed. This is a big advantage of this phone. Even if your fingers are sweaty, the phone unlocks easily. Talking about the camera, the Iqoo Neo 9S Pro Plus has a dual rear camera setup. It has a primary 50-megapixel Sony IMX921 sensor with optical image stabilization and a secondary 50-megapixel JN1 ultra-wide sensor. You can see the sample photos here. As for the battery, the phone has a 5500 mAh ultra-thin Blue Ocean battery. It supports 120-watt charging, which charges the battery from 0 to 100% in just 27 minutes. The charger also supports 100-watt PD charging, so you can use it to charge your laptop. Other extra features of the phone include NFC support, an X-axis linear motor, stereo speakers, Wi-Fi 7, and dual GPS support. It's great to get so many features in this price range. The phone runs on Origin OS 4, which is based on Android 14, and it has useful AI features. We will discuss the AI features in the detailed review. As for the price, the base variant of the Iqoo Neo 9S Pro Plus starts at 2,899 Chinese yuan in China, which is about £307 in the UK or $400 in the USA. At this price, no other phone offers both the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. So, what do you think about the Iqoo Neo 9S Pro Plus? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. This is me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.
I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe There's something that'll give you relief.